Hey guys, welcome to Math Tech. Today we'll be learning how to see deleted messages on Instagram. And now let's dive right in. Now to see deleted messages on Instagram, first open up your Instagram app. And in order to proceed, guys, you'll be required to recover your messages on Instagram, and only you will be able to see your deleted messages on Instagram. And with that being said, guys, in order to recover your deleted messages, at the bottom right corner of the screen you can see your profile picture icon in a small circle. Tap on that, and from over here at the top right corner of the screen you can see the three lined icons available for us. Tap on that three lined icon, and over here on this interface you'll be required to go to the your activity section just below the archive. Tap on your activity, and from over here, guys, you'll be required to scroll down until you can find download your information option. Tap on download your information, and let's wait for it to load. And over here, guys, in order to download your deleted messages, tap on download or transfer or information, and unselect all except for Instagram, and after that tap on next. And over here, guys, we will be required to download only the messages, so we'll be tapping on the sum of our information only, which is the second one. Tap on it, and on this interface scroll down until you can find the messages over here and tap on next. And over here, either you can choose to transfer to a destination, meaning a Google Drive or Dropbox, or you can see. And after that, guys, or we can just download it to our device, and let's tap on the download to device, and after that tap on next, and tap on next, and you can see the date range over here. You can choose the range of the date from when to when you want to view the messages of. After that tap on save after changing your time, and tap on the create files. And after that, the files or the recovery files of your messages will be created, and you will be messaged or notified when the download of your files of deleted messages or all the messages of date will be ready, and you'll be able to download it and view it from over here. And with that being said, guys, this is how to view your deleted, or this is how to see your deleted messages on Instagram. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.